Hello everyone and welcome to this section. So we want to quickly talk about filtering, filtering of data. Does it allow you to filter your data or decide you to view information that you choose to or you decide to view in your worksheet or your entire book? In this example that I'm going to show you, we are going to apply a filter to some columns here. These columns here I have site ID and name of a supervisor and maybe probably bank name. So filter allow you to view a certain section of your worksheets so while hiding others. So it allows you to have a clear focus on what you want to work with at a particular time. So sometimes when you're trying to filter the header here, this first row will go into what you want to hide. So what you do is you make sure that what you are filtering is specific. So in order to start filtering this column, I want to filter the numbers. There's a particular letters or numbers that are in this column, so I want to filter them out. So I want to have a look at those particular set of numbers. So to make use of the filter, come to, if you're on the home tab, click on data. When you So go to data tab and select filter. So when you select filter, you will have all this drop down icon. So here contains number of things or items that in each column. This column is for names. Here you have clients, region, and so on. So in this column, I want to filter the names. So what you do is you come here and select all, uncheck select all. Then you now pick on the ones you want to see. So when you are done, click OK. You can see that number have reduced. So I want it to still reduce. I still have them plenty so that you can have a clearer view of sorting data. Let me uncheck this one and click OK. So this is what I want to have. This is what I want to see at this particular time. So every other information has gone into hiding. So anytime you want to view what you have hidden back, so just come here and click on clear filter from supervisor. So when you clear it, will restore back to normal. On this column B, I want to filter some numbers. I am going to deselect all, or let's say here. Let me come to this particular column here. So I'm going to check cash payment. So I will have this bank filtered here. I've had this cash, so I'm filtering this one. I've checked cash payment. So everything that I'm going to see here is going to be cash, 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 cash. And if I go back, clear it, and deselect and click on bank payments. So every information I'm going to see here is going to be based on bank payment, bank payments. So we have bank payments. So that is a simple way to filter data. So let's try another advanced method. So there are other options that is more advanced than this. So what you just need to do is to come here. Let me see, which one should I use now? Okay, let me use this column B. I'm going to search IHS. So when I search IHS, I'll just click OK. Boom. So every information I'm going to see is going to concern this particular project, IHS. So whereas there are other options there, so let me just undo that right now. I'm going to search for LG. So these are the LGs that are in the list. So it's very simple to use. So anytime you feel like you don't need them again, just come here, click the drop down and clear it. Come here again and clear. So, and everything will be restored back to normal. So this is the end of this discussion. So like I said before, for now, make sure you practice all these things so that you get used to it and you'll be able to move forward to the next one. See you in the next class.